Hey, welcome back to Styrene Relics. Well, for today's Wednesday, what did you get? What did you buy? But today it's going to be what did you get for me? Uh, was over at my brother's house cleaning more stuff out, and I think I finally hit the last of the kits. This one's an empty box lid. I just hated to throw it away, so I don't know. Maybe I'll cut it and put it in a frame. It's just too nice to just. It's not nice. It's just I hate throwing that stuff away. So, and then 51 Chevy Bair. Been after one of these for a little bit. I've got several of them. The fastback ones is what I normally get, but this one here is the one I needed. I've got an idea for this. He's cut the roof off it already, and which is not a big deal because I plan on majorly chopping the top on this. So that's kind of cool. Let me skip that one real quick. And then 60 Corvette MPC kit. This one's the old one. It doesn't have any barcodes on it. He got started building this one, and it works. And it steers both sides. He's got it hooked up right. So, and it's smooth. That's the cool thing. It's really smooth. So it looks like he's put a solid rear end under it. An older style, but that's all right. And so I think I'll probably finish that one up. Kind of cool. Another Fury. Remember I got one that was in pristine box over his place a while back. I showed you guys. Well, this one was in a closet full of stuff and had a lot of junk piled up on top of it, and it crushed a lot of these boxes that I've got here. And so it's missing a body. Well, I remembered getting a body that was in the same color. This is that, it's molded in a green, and that body that I got is molded in a green. I think what he was going to do was race it as a slot car. He's got the rear wheels cut open real far, so I think he was going to road course it. And I remember them having a vintage road course race, and I think that's what he was doing with that car. So I got to find that body. I can't remember exactly where I put it. I put it somewhere so it wouldn't get damaged. So I've got it, just got to find it. And then the other one, I got another Johan. This is the 64 Super Stock, and it's all there. The decals even look pretty good. Problem is, like I said, everything was stacked on top of it. So I'm going to have to, I got a heat gun. I might gently use it to try to massage this to straighten it up. It's not broke anywhere. It's just really smashed. So I don't know. We'll see. See if I can save that one too. I'd like to. It's kind of a cool kit, actually. And then I've got two of these paddy wagons. And then I have two of them with the chrome on them instead of the gold chrome. Not one of the kits that I normally lean to. I don't have any problem with it. I mean, it's a Tom Daniels. That's kind of cool, but it's just something I just normally don't go after. But I've got an idea for one, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I got two of these now. Two more of them, I should say. So let me show you a couple of things here. It's my brother Jim. This was his models and stuff that I've got. That's that Bair that was hanging up in my my room here. It's now been moved because it fell down on my display case, and I don't want to do that again. So yeah, he was pretty happy with that. That was and I got a plaque that he had. The plaque says it was 250 pounds, so pretty good sized bear. This is Jim 66 SS 396 4-speed car. All the numbers were matching on it, and my little 68 Camaro in the back. I just threw it in primer the few days before this picture was taken, and that's at Mom and Dad's house. You can't see it because of the trees, but yeah, yep, lived on a little dirt road, dead end road. It's kind of cool. Well, there's the gang. James's car. Well, Camaro, that's the engine that's in my 60 right now. That'd be me. Skinny little runt. My younger brother Mark, he's passed. That's James, he's passed. And the short guy, that would be Tim. He's still around. I don't know where he's at, to be honest. He was a close buddy of Jim's, so I don't know how to get a hold of him. But yeah, that's the car we ran. Had a lot of fun with that car. That's up at Oblivious right there. And then this is at Oblivious after we shot it in primer. We had a Wagner airless sprayer and got some what we thought was red, turned out to be red oxide primer, and shot that car with that. So that was always fun times. And I found a really cool magazine. I'm not gonna go through it today, but maybe we'll step through it here in a couple of days. It's a super stock, February 1966. So the cover page is a Corvette van truck with a big block Chevy in the back. So yeah, maybe we'll take a look at that later on. Well, that's all I got, guys. Just wanted to say I'm still kicking around. Haven't done anything. My truck, the starter on my truck went out, and it's sitting dead in the driveway right now. So I got to crawl under that and see if I can fix it. So anyways, a lot of stuff coming down the road, and a lot of stuff that I've been tinkering on models wise, and I'll get to you on all that, give you an update. All right, guys, be safe, have fun, have a great, safe weekend. Talk to you later.